to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and we are making milk rolls, I guess you would call them. It's a pretty popular recipe around here in Germany, and it's kind of like a sweet bread that you make, and it's pretty popular with children. So let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 1 cup or 250 milliliters of milk, a quarter cup or 80 grams of butter, 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, a quarter cup or 50 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar or 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 egg. First, add the butter in pieces to the milk. Heat the milk in the microwave just enough to melt the butter, but shouldn't feel too hot. Then add the sugar and yeast to the milk. In a large mixing bowl, add about half of the flour and salt. Mix in milk mixture, vanilla, and egg. Combine with a spoon, then stir in as much of the rest of the flour as you can. Knead in the rest. You may need just a little bit more flour to get bread dough consistency that is soft but not sticky. Knead for a minute or two. Allow to rise about an hour. Knead briefly. Roll into rolls and place in a buttered baking dish. Allow to rise another half an hour. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until just golden brown. These rolls are soft and lightly sweet. They are the favorite of children. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.